And if you start doing that, you will start seeing the weight drop off, but not only drop off, you'll be able to maintain it. This is exactly how I was able to lose 300 pounds, and I've been able to maintain this weight loss for over 4 years. Like, it's not that I'm special or it's a miracle or Jason found the secret. It's Jason did the action of changing his life, and you can do this also. So I hope that was helpful for you. If you like this, go ahead and hit that like button. If you know someone who's been rewarding themselves with food and they've been trying to stop and they're just tired of being on that same roller coaster, go ahead and share this video to them. If you're the person and you're watching and you're just like, look, Jason, I just need some help, man. I don't know really where to start. Just click the link up above, get into the free Facebook group. It's a free group, not free 99. This is a free group. And in the group, you can just start understanding what you can do. Start taking little baby steps. Start cleaning up your diet one day at a time. And in there also, you can ask me questions if you like. Like in there yesterday, I did a video about raw food vegan versus veganism that was asked in the group. So you need to have a community. You need to have a place where you can be safe to just get the help that you need. And so that's why I created that group for you. And so I hope you have a great Friday. Stay supercharged, and I will catch you on Monday.